So if you hear a sort of grinding sound or buzzing sound from, it's a noise from the front of the vehicle, it could be, sometimes you might think it's the wheel bearings, front wheel bearings. When they wear out, it makes a grinding sound, kind of humming sound. So kind of hard to detect, but it could be other issues too, like the alternator bearing or the idler pulley bearing. So this is the idler pulley, IDLER. Anyway, alternator belt pulley, idler pulley. My tongue is frozen. Anyway, so we almost ended up changing the front wheel bearings. Then the alternator actually was not charging right, so we had a look, and then we found that this pulley, as well as the alternator's pulley, they are noisy. So this is a new one. This is the old one. A new one, actually, they made 0.1 inch shorter. Makes sense because the belt was really tight to put on. So now I'll show you in a second how it sounds like. So this is the old one. Hear the sound. Hear the grind. Still goes rolling smooth, but there's a significant loud noise. It will be always shaking a little bit anyway, and as you do that, you will see that this bearing is worn out. So one option is to replace the bearing or buy the whole piece. This is the new one. Now listen to the new one. It's packed with grease, so it doesn't roll much, but as it does, it's rolling. As it does, no sound. I mean, absolutely quiet. So I think this is gonna make a huge difference in the in running the engine quiet. And it's not the front wheel bearings. Most likely it is this idler pulley bearing that's gone. And listen to this again, once again to this. And as the RPM goes up, this is going to be louder and louder and louder. Hear that? And the it's a bit loose too. This whole thing became loose. Okay, hope this one helps. So anytime the serpentine belt or accessory belt, alternator belt is the same item, different terms, that belt is replaced, all the pulleys that the belt goes on has to be checked, because this thing can really cause even the belt to wear out fast. Belt will wear out, it will get jammed. Eventually this will jam. So once it starts to jam, it will wear out the belt even faster, and maybe stranded vehicle by the side of the road. One of the reasons. No alternator, no power, because of a broken belt. Okay, hope this helps. Please share and subscribe.